This is a boat that came in. It's the middle of winter time. It's January and it's been freezing. So we had it inside last night, but he brought it to us. That's been outside, and he said the block was drained and the plugs in the manifold were stripped out. So we were kind of trying to replace those. So we're pulling the old ones out. Go ahead and pull the one that we replace out. So he's got pink antifreeze in it. So we're just showing that it has had pink antifreeze in it. But one of the most interesting things, yeah, and that's what he needs to have replaced. He came in for a shifting issue, and they had put this shifter plate on top of it when they upholstered it to make it more sturdy, I guess. But what it actually did was made the material so thick that you couldn't put the handle down on the spline because it didn't stick through the wood that far. So he was never able to get it to tighten up, and the handle kept on falling off, and the threads inside the handle are stripped, and also the button for the fast idle didn't work. So we've got a new shifter in there, and it should work. Wow, fast idle with one finger. And shift, and it's solid. So we're going to go ahead and fix his couple of drain plug issues, change the oil filter, whatever else we feel like doing.